fractions with the same denominators. It means two or more fractions will be given, and how to add those fractions when the denominators are same. The numerators can be different, but the denominators will be same. So let us see the method. So just see, to add fractions with the same denominator, you just simply add the numerators, only add the numerators and keep the denominator same. Now let us see one sum. The question says add. Okay. See the first question. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. See what I said, when the denominators are same, just write the denominator one time. Do not add 5 and 5. You have to just write one time and only add the numerators. 2 plus 1. So 3 by 5. Did you understand? Do not add the denominators. Okay. Let's see the second sum. 4 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Again, when you see the denominators are same, just write once common denominator and then add the numerator. 6 by 8. Now this 6 by 8, you can reduce it to lowest term. It means by same table, or you can say equivalent fraction. 3 by 4 is the final answer. Let's see third sum. Denominators are same. Just write once. 2 plus 3. So your final answer is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6. The denominators are same. Just add the numerators. 6 by 6. And 6 by 6 is what? Which is 1. Did you understand? In this way they can give you 1 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Two or more fractions are added. Just check the denominators of all the three fractions. Is it same? Yes. So just write once. Do not write 2 plus 2 plus 2. It will go wrong. So just write once and then add the numerators. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9 by 2. And when you convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction, what will you get? 4.5. So in this way we have learned to add the fractions when the denominators are same. It means to add fractions with the same denominator, what you should do? You have to simply add the numerators and keep the denominator same. Keep the denominator same means write the denominator only one time. That is, you cannot write 5 plus 5. Just write 5 and only add the numerators. So this was the first subtopic of addition of fractions. Thank you.